So what's going on, guys and girls? Got the passing lamps turned back to their original format here. Let's see how they do. This is the passing lamps. Oh, that's without passing lamps. So nice, nice, nice. That's how they do when it gets a little more dark. So this headlight setup does pretty good. High beam, turn off passing lamps. That's low. That's the two bulbs in the headlight. That's low beam. It's not too bad. High beam, passing lamps. Nice. I think I got it figured out. You can see the lower limbs of the trees, so you don't have to worry about anything coming in and hitting me in the head. And you think, yeah, you know, you're not gonna get hit in the head. You'd be surprised. I've had an owl hit the top of my helmet. During the day, I've had a turkey almost hit the top of the helmet.